Do you have any opening remarks?
Yes, thank you, Mr. Chair. Good morning, Mr. Chair, Senator Bongo. Good morning also, Senator Jingo Estrada, and good morning to all distinguished guests and resource persons. Mr. Chair, Filipinos are sports-loving people, and that is a fact. Because we love sports that much, the 12-round boxing match between Senator Manny Pacquiao and Floyd Mayweather was historic because the PNP reported that no crime was committed in Metro Manila while the fight was ongoing. Even the soldiers and rebels were on ceasefire dahil lahat ay nakatutok sa laban. Na maglaro ang Gilas Pilipinas laban sa koponan ng China sa FIBA at Asian Games, hindi magkamayaw sa pagpalakpak at pagsisigaw ang mga Pinoy habang nanonood upang ipakita ang kanilang suporta. Mapa-PBA, MPBL, UAAP o NCAA, name it, lahat yan patok sa mga Pinoy, mayaman man o mahirap. Diyan tayo ay may pagkakaisa. To Filipinos, basketball is a way of life. Unfortunately, Mr. Chair, together with the Filipinos, love for sports comes the threat of losing the spirit of playing the game dahil sa tinatawag na game fixing. Ano nga ba itong tinatawag na game fixing? Itong kalakaran sa halos lahat ng klase ng sports kung saan ang manglalaro, 10 ng kanyang mga kakuntsaba ay nagmamanipula ng resulta o score sa mga laro. Game fixing has been happening in sports for a long, long time. Mas sikat na laro, mas mataas ang posibilidad na may game fixing. Players, referees, coaches, and even those who are mere bystanders have been allegedly involved in various incidents of game fixing. Ginagawa nila ito upang pagkakitaan ng isang partikular na sports sa pamagitan ng pagpusta. And what they do is make sure that they will win by manipulating the result. It shows lack of respect for the game. Nais natin itong mawala o mapigilan man lang, subalit lumalabas na hindi ito ganon kadali. One of the problems, Mr. Chair, is that people who are involved in game fixing are hesitant to come forward and present proof that indeed game fixing is happening. Nagsalita na nga, baka maparusahan pa sila. Another problem that I see is that our players' salary rates are not at par with their contemporaries playing for other countries. Ibig sabihin, Mr. Chair, ang mga players natin na may pinakamaliit na sweldo o kinikita kumpara sa kanilang mga counterpart sa iba't ibang bansa sa Asia lalo na. Dahilan nito kung bakit pumapayag ang ibang manlalaro na ilaglag o manipulahin ang game na nilalaro. Ilan lamang ito sa mga nakikita kong kadahilanan, Mr. Chair, kung bakit namamayagpag ang game fixing issue. I filed this bill in order to address the said problem. It is important that we retain the true spirit of fair play and athletic excellence, and at the same time, safeguard the integrity of sports against dishonesty, keeping them fair and competitive. Maraming salamat po, Mr. Chair.
Salamat, Senator Raffy Tulfo. Unang-una, meron lang po akong katanungan. No? Itong dumadami na po ang liga sa ngayon. No? We have Philippine Super League, Pilipinas Super League, PSL, meron rin pong Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League, dito rin nating CEO Mr. Joe Ramos, at marami pang maliliit na liga. And of course, ang malaking liga ng professional basketball, no? Philippine Basketball Association. Game 3 na pala, mamaya manood kayo. At Chairman ng GAB, ano ho ba yung mga liga na directly under po sa inyong supervision? Kasi gusto nating malaman kung may mga naiulat na na game fixing o suspicious na game fixing, ay sino yung pwede niyong i-sanction at ano ho bang mga sanctions na ipataw nyo na so far kung may mga naiulat man pong mga game fixing sa iba't ibang liga?
Maraming salamat po, Mr. Chair, Senator Bongo. Ang mga liga po na nire-regulate po ng Games and Amusements Board ay liga po ng professional athletes, like sa basketball po, professional basketball. Katulad po na nabanggit nyo, yung pong NBL, PSL, MPBL, PBA, among others. So ano po ang nagagawa po?
Yung Vismin,
Yes
di
po.
ba professional league?
Yes po,
Di ba your
Vismin po.
na-credit na sa inyo yan?
Yes po.
Alright.
Thank you po, Your Honor.
If I may, meron ba tayong representative from Vismin na Comsec? Jumingal yata. Vismin, wala bang representative? Regrets. Oh, next time, pahuli mo na.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your honor. Mr. Chair, yun nga po, ang authority po ng Games and Amusements Board, since we issue the licenses of the professionals and permits for the professional sports, we have the quasi-judicial power po to suspend or even blacklist player po. Alisin po natin yung lisensya nila pag meron po silang ginawang pagkakamali na beyond or against the ethical standards po ng professional athlete. Sa ngayon po, ang ginagawa po natin pagka po may mga ganyan po na mga allegations, actually kahit wala pong allegations, considering po na ang Games and Amusements Board, we supervise lahat po ng professional sports. Pag nakita po ng mga supervisors natin, for example, sa isang liga na parang mayroon unprofessional conduct na nangyayari, they immediately report it to the board. That what we do is, even without a complaint from anybody, we issue motu proprio proceedings po for the administrative filing of cases. So as of date po ngayon, we already have 32 cases since 2021 po.
Nag-aantay muna kayo ng merong complaint?
Hindi na po, Your Honor. Sometimes po, pagka po may complainants, pero it doesn't necessarily have to be a complainant. Ang supervisor po ng GAB, pag may nakita, automatic po yan on our own. We institute cases po against these subject individuals po.
So how about the other leagues, no? Like para alam lang po ng publiko, like UAAP, NCAA, at iba pang mga tournaments, no? Kanino po siya directly under or supervise?
Ang amateur po, Your Honor, sa PSC po, Philippine Sports Commission po.
Where is
PSC,
the representative PSC?
taga PSC rito. Ayan po.
Mr. Chair, pwede makasingit?
Where is your chairman?
Good morning, Senator.
Where's your
Jinggoy.
chairman?
He's now in a meeting with some officials of
Is that more important than the hearing here?
Sir, sorry to tell you, but it was a meeting long before scheduled.
I
And
don't
we
care
were-
what their meeting. Is it more important than the hearing today?
Sir, I'm sorry, but I cannot answer that question.
If in case there is another hearing, you better tell your boss to come here.
I will relay the information, sir.
Go ahead.
May
Gusto-
follow-up question lang
May
doon.
follow-up question si Senator Rapi.
Doon sa
Before you continue.
sinabi niyo po, Mr. Chair, kanina at nabanggit ni Mr. ni Attorney Clarin, sabi niya, kasi tinanong mo kung uma-action na ba sila pag may complaint, sabi niya, hindi naman. Sometimes they do it motu proprio. And then he did mention na meron silang karapatan o kapangyarihan na mag-suspend or revoke license ng players and ng team. Tanong ko lang sana, ilan na ho ba ang inyo pong nasuspinde o na-revoke ng license ng player or team? Ilan na po ba? Since when ho kayo umupo?
Last year lang po, Your Honor.
Yung GAB, gaano katagal in existence?
Since 1950 po, Your Honor.
Wow, ang tagal na. So since 1950 up to now, meron na ho ba kayong mga nahuli na involved sa game fixing? Sir?
Meron na po kaming na-suspend from the records po, Your Honor, from 2021 up to now po, 31 po yung na-suspend namin.
31?
Yes po,
Ano po ito, mga players?
mga players po. Usually po, Your
Mga
Honor,
kilalang players? Mga kilalang players po.
players po, yes, Your Honor, ng isang liga.
Pwede yung pakibanggit.
Yes, you have to, with the permission of Senator Tulfo, you have to name names right now para at least mabulabog sila, hindi na maulit itong mga kalokohan nila.
Your Honor, noon po sa Vismin Cup po noong 2021, may nasuspend po kami ng mga players na banggitin ko po yung mga pangalan.
Banggitin mo na lahat,
Ah.
pati referee sa coaches na involved dito sa game fixing.
Sige po, Your Honor.
To the public, for the people to know.
Thank you, Your Honor. Sa team po ng ARQ po, players po na sila Rendel Senining, Hercules Tangkay, Reed Huntilla po, Francisco Arong, Don Ochea, Ferdinand Lusdok, pati po Francis Akiko, coaching staff po na si Jerry Aboyabor, coaching staff po na si Alex Kainglet, si Frederick Rodriguez po, na-revoke po natin yung lisensya niya, si Juan Aspiras, revocation of license, Joseph Kiro, John Cedric Peñaflor.
Okay, sir, pwede makasingit. Pwede mo ituloy later on. Nagtataka lang ako kasi mga binabanggit mo, puro mga players na halos hindi ko siguro kilala ng karamihan dito. Ba't di kayo magbanggit ng mga pangalan na kilala? Kasi ang pustahan doon sa mga kilalang team at kilalang mga players. Yung mga binabanggit mo, malilit lang pustahan dyan.
Your
So,
Honor,
have you done something dito sa mga malalaking...
sa
Anong liga to? Sa Bismin.
Bismin, Your Honor.
Kaya siguro wala yung representative ng Bismin.
Recently lang po ito. Ano bang
Ah.
Bismin? Under po siya ng...
Gab.
Gab po.
No, I mean,
It's
hindi
also
siya
professional
another league siya.
Yes.
Yes po.
Sino
Para
po
po
ang
siya.
commissioner doon?
Then,
Ah,
can I, Mr. Chair, with the permission of Senator Tulfo, I have
si
a
ano,
video.
si ano to, ang commissioner si Boy Cabahog. Another 3-point king to.
With the permission of the chair and
Go
the
ahead po. Sige po.
Senator Tulfo, can I show a video of a very glaring